In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a cool profile picture in Canva. Whether you're aiming to refresh your social media presence or simply want a unique avatar, Canva's streamlined process and wide array of templates make it accessible for everyone. So let's dive right in and get creative. First, navigate to Canva's website or open the Canva app on your device. If you haven't signed up yet, registration is simple and free, allowing you access to a multitude of design tools. Once you're in, head to the search bar and type in cool profile picture. This will bring up an assortment of templates specifically curated for profile pictures. Don't just settle on the first one you see, take your time to scroll through and select a design that resonates with your style or the vibe you want to portray. After you've chosen your template, look for the option that says customize this template and click on it. This is where the real fun begins. Canva offers an array of customization tools which allow you to modify the template to better represent your unique personality. You might want to change colors, fonts, or other design elements to match your personal brand or preference. This step ensures your profile picture stands out and feels personal. With your template customized to your liking, it's time to incorporate a personal touch, your own photo. Look over to the left-hand side menu and find the Uploads option. Clicking this will enable you to upload your own images into Canva's workspace. Simply drag and drop your chosen photo into the upload area. This intuitive feature makes it easy to place your image precisely where you want it within the template. Once your photo is in place, take a moment to make any final adjustments to the design. Does the layout complement your photo? Is the color scheme cohesive? These small details will make a significant difference in the overall appearance of your final profile picture. If your photo isn't quite fitting the template, use Canva's editing tools to crop or adjust it until it aligns perfectly. Now that you've got your image and design aligned, it's almost time to share it with the world. Before you do, double check for any typos, and if applicable, ensure any text elements are properly aligned and easily readable. Once everything checks out, hit the download button and select your desired file format. Usually a JPEG or PNG works best for online profiles. And there you have it. You've just created a unique and cool profile picture using Canva, all in just a few simple steps. Feel free to experiment with different templates and styles in the future to keep your profile picture fresh and uniquely you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and creative tutorials.